Supreme is now in your area.
Let's get that workout on. 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 Freestyle. Now march in place. Now march in place. Now march in place. At a steady pace. Focus on the goal. Put on your game face. Now move to the left. Real smooth to the right. Now move to the left. Real smooth to the right. Now move to the left. Real smooth to the right. Now move to the left. Real smooth to the right. Freestyle. Now put your hands up like you about to fight. Now put your hands up like you about to fight. Hit him with the left. Hit him with the right. Hit him with the left. Hit him with the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now do it again with your stomach tight. Put up your dukes while you tuck in your chin, while you tuck your stomach in. We gonna do it again. Now put your hands up like you about to fight. Now put your hands up like you about to fight. Hit him with the left. Hit him with the right. Hit him with the left. Hit him with the right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now break it down for a while. Do your own thing. Freestyle. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Now before you go, some jumping jacks. Count to 10 while you're doing that. You gotta count to 10 while you're doing that. Let's go. Keep it moving. Now march in place at a steady pace. March in place at a steady pace. Strike a selfie pose, then touch your toes. Strike a selfie pose, then touch your toes. Freestyle. Let's go. The 5-minute workout. You completed your goal. Freestyle. Aren't you proud? Be proud of yourself. Pat yourself on the back. Looking good. It's only 5 minutes, but you were born to win. And if you're in the mood, just start it all over again. For 10. But 5 minutes is good. It's a good start. Get the adrenaline flowing, you know. Burn some calories. Yeah. I see you. You looking good out there. Come on. Congratulations. Freestyle.